Hi guys, so we are in McDonald's Cafe. As I've told, I've come to have breakfast over here. So let's see, this is my first time having breakfast at McDonald's. And I'll tell you how it is, whether my experience was good, bad, or whether it's stomach filling or is our dosa idli better. So let's see how it's going to be, okay? There is nobody here. There was one family when we came, but now there is nobody. It's just me. Nobody else for breakfast. Maybe I'm late, I don't know. Or maybe people are not still aware of this McCafe over here. It's very new. It's been, I think, only 2-3 months. That's all. So I hope the food is good. So guys, this is the breakfast. There's somebody else with me to have this breakfast, so don't think that this is completely for me. I don't have a huge appetite, so let's just dig in. So this is the big breakfast. It comes with a muffin, omelette, and a sausage. Also, one hash brown, and they give you jam also to spread in your muffin, and coffee. And this is egg muffin which I've ordered. Let me try it and I'll tell you. It also comes with one hash brown and one coffee. They have provided you creamer, sugar and everything, and I prefer coffee without any creamer or sugar. So let's attack the food. Okay guys, so let's try the egg McMuffin. So this is the egg McMuffin. It has got a ham, there's egg, cheese and muffins. So for people, for Indians especially who are used to having a very heavy breakfast, this won't be enough. This is a light breakfast according to us. It tastes good. It's like a regular egg sandwich. You just fry your egg and then you put between two breads with toasted bread. Sometimes we include cheese, sometimes we don't. So it's similar to that, just like having an egg sandwich in the morning, or like bread toast and egg fry in the morning, like sunny side up, omelette or something, but not like omelette, but mostly like sunny side up. This is the hash browns guy. But I actually prefer the hash browns of IHOP. It's different. It's not like this deep fried. It is shallow fried, and it's your shredded potatoes. They make it. It's very yummy and it looks good. This is deep fry now, but let me still try it. Hash browns, I'm not a fan. It's too oily, because early morning having such oily food I don't prefer. As I told, I prefer the IHOP hash browns. That's far tastier and yummier. This is okay, not great. Now about the coffee. The coffee is good for me. It's bitter and I drink it without sugar and milk. So people who does not prefer bitter coffee, this won't be good. You may have to add your milk and sugar, but otherwise it's a good brewed coffee. I like my coffee to be bitter. No sugar. Guys, try to drink your coffee without sugar and milk, only then you get the taste, and especially the aftertaste of coffee is like wow. Guys, they have drive-in as well as dine-in. So this is one place for you are in a hurry, you're going to office and you want to take your breakfast along with you, then this is the best place for you. You can just come in, drive in, and this is the drive-through part, and pay at one particular place and then get your breakfast. And it's quite good. Okay, this is my first time and I liked it. It's quite good and it's quite filling as well. It's not too heavy and it's not too light, so do try.
One more thing, guys, the one problem which I found at the McDonald's cafe is that the parking lot is very less. I think only maximum 6 cars can park at a time. So that's one big negative of that particular place. Other than that, everything is fine. They have enough seating areas, and as I told you, they have drive-through as well dine-in, and you can enjoy the food. It's really good, and the breakfast is quite cheap in the sense it's affordable. It's not too expensive like IHOP, and it's fine. Just note the parking particular place. So if you're going on a weekend to have your dinner, then the problem will be the parking. So you will have to search your parking somewhere else rather than in their parking lot. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.